Welcome to day one. Hi guys, I'm Teodora, LinkedIn and sales consultant and founder of hottake.ly, LinkedIn engagement tool, which most of you desperately need. And yes, this tool will be my right hand in the entire process. Can I rebuild everything again? Can I prove that personal brand is not luck? Let's see. I will build the entire process live. You'll see my first viral post, my first deal, my failed deals, every sales call, every breakdown, every moment where I want to quit, every moment when I feel like a hottest CEO alive. I will tell you how much money I'm making from LinkedIn, how much I'm losing, how much brands pay me. I will tell you all the secrets you wanna know. What works, what flops. Nobody on LinkedIn shows the real process. Everybody only posts, oh guys, I just made 100K. Okay, but how? Is it actually true? What happened before that? What made you cry? How many times did you think you're stupid? How many clients ghosted you? I wanna know this. I will show you this. So the biggest question, how I got this amazing idea. I was in Santorini with my girls. We were partying all day, all night. One guy approached me. I was super excited about it because it was first time that actually someone from the LinkedIn recognized me in a public place. And I was like, oh my God, it's so cool. We are all watching influencers online, but we never thought maybe someday it will be me. So I was happy, really happy. But the conversation was weird. He was telling me something like, honestly, if I was a girl like you, I will also grow fast on LinkedIn. Like, yeah, with photos like yours, it's easy. He wasn't directly insulting me, but it was very obvious what he was trying to say. Basically, you're successful only because you're pretty, which is not true, or maybe it is. We will find out. Why people cannot accept that woman can be both pretty and smart at the same time. And then it clicked in my brain. I was like, okay, let's bet. I will delete everything. I will post only business photos. I will post only business content and I will win. I will still win, like I always do. It was never about my photos. It was about my brain. And I know I can build it again. Not once, 10 times. Do you know why I'm so calm and confident doing this? Because I know how I did it first time. It was only on my own. I was alone in my room. There was no rich parents. There was no support from anyone in my surrounding. There was no mentor, consultant, anyone. It was just me and my pretty brain. People call it risk. For me, it's not risk because I understand business. It's simple. And yes, sometimes I break the rules. Sometimes I invent new ones. Welcome to this crazy journey. And I genuinely want to invite you to join me to this challenge. So comment below, tell me your goals, tell me where you're starting from. Maybe we can create some community together, some WhatsApp group that we can support each other every day, boost each other, give each other advice, and where we can push each other to post every fucking day, to grow, to make money, to stop being scared. Because trust me, 1 year from now, we will look back at this video and we will laugh. We will become one of the biggest stories on LinkedIn. Let's fucking crush this.